DeFi Llama just launched a free airdrop checker tool where you can check to see if one of your few wallets is eligible for an airdrop you may have missed. This tool is super simple to use and it's a great way to check if there's any airdrops in the crypto ecosystem you may have missed. Let's take a look. So big shout out to 0xNGMI on X, who's one of the top developers on DeFi Llama. So they announced this on their X page and the URL would be defilama.com/airdrops. You would click here and this would bring you to the airdrop page. And the cool thing is they list the airdrops that are currently tokenless and may airdrop in the future. So it's a good way to sort through these if you're looking for upcoming airdrops in the new year. So if you've been farming any past protocols and you want to check for any current airdrops, you would click on the check airdrops for address button here. You would simply paste your wallet address in here. So DeFi Llama is cross-chain. So this website supports the many various protocols across the crypto ecosystem. That includes Ethereum addresses, Solana, Layer 2s, EVMs, the list goes on. So first I'm going to check one of my Solana addresses. I do have my Phantom wallet up here. Go over to account and I'm going to copy my Solana address here. Copy that and go ahead and paste it here and let's go ahead and check. And there you go. I do have some Camino airdrop available. Pretty cool. So I'll just click on claim and it does look like I do have some Camino available to me on the Camino Finance website. Pretty cool. So we can come back and we can check for another address. So if you do have an Ethereum wallet such as MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, or Rabby wallet, you'll go ahead and paste the Ethereum address in here and check again. And from there, it'll list any website you're eligible for past airdrops. So that's it. That's the new airdrop checker by DeFi Llama. It's a great way to stay up to date with any airdrops you may have missed. And don't forget to check out the list of tokenless protocols for upcoming airdrops in the new year. I highly recommend you begin farming some of these ecosystems for huge airdrops. And don't forget to check out my YouTube channel where I have tons of free crypto tutorials. So if you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.